We interact with our environment for the continuation of our existence. We can achieve this interaction thanks to our sense organs. We can feel it with our skin. We can hear sounds with our ears. We actively listen to our surroundings and listen to the sounds in the environment. With our eyes, we can size our surroundings and select objects. We make decisions with our sense organs. With these decisions, we ensure the continuation of our lives. If we do not experience the deficiency of our sense organs, we don't even realize their importance. Most of the time, we use them automatically, without realizing it. So, can we use the abilities of our sense organs in industry transformation? Can we use these capabilities for the continuity of production? In your opinion, which of our sense organs' capabilities would be important for industry transformation? How could we make the capabilities of these sense organs useful for industry? Now, let's examine our sense organs from this perspective. Let's think about our ability to touch and feel with our skin. If the vibrations we perceive are out of routine, our brain tells us that something dangerous is happening and that we should leave the environment. For example, when there is an earthquake, we feel the ground shaking. When we feel this vibration, we know that there is danger. We can feel the vibration on the tracks and notice the train coming. We know there is a problem when we feel a non-routine vibration in our vehicle's engine. While driving our vehicle, we prefer to stay away from the vibrating parts of the road. We look for alternative smooth ways to go. Let's think about our ability to hear with our ears. Our brain tells us what to do based on the sound level. We bring our ears closer for inaudible sound. Even if we hear very loud noises, we move away. When we are disturbed, we make loud noises to attract or distract from those around us. When we hear a loud sound, we realize that it is a different situation, and we turn to look. If there is a strange noise from the car engine, we know that the engine is broken. According to the sound level, we can adapt, but we try to stay away from loud noise mostly. Let's think about our ability to see with our eyes. Our brain can recognize objects when we see them. We can perceive differences in objects. Sight is our most important interaction ability. We can tell by seeing spoiled fruits and vegetables. We can notice the warnings by seeing. We can act according to the warnings. How do you think these life-sustaining abilities would be used for the new industry transformation? If we used the same approaches for machines on production lines, how would we proceed? For example, let's consider vibration. We can follow the vibration in machine benches and measure this vibration level. At the vibration level, we can say that something is wrong with the machine when an abnormality occurs outside of the routine. More serious damage may occur if machine use continues due to the cause of vibration. With early detection, a simple friction problem on the machine can be fixed. The machine can be lubricated or the problem can be solved by changing the gears. Now let's consider hearing from our abilities. By following the sound level while the machines are working, we can measure the sound level. When we detect a non-routine difference in the sound level, we can say that there is something wrong with the machines. With early detection, production can continue by switching to the use of an alternative machine before the malfunction grows. Alternatively, the problem can be solved by performing machine maintenance. While maintaining the machine, more practical and cost-free solutions can be found. Precautions can be taken before a malfunction occurs in the machine. Now let's think about our abilities, our eyesight. While the machines are running, we can measure routine motion through the image. Analyzing the image on the cameras, we can measure machine working speed. We can detect machine movements that would be considered normal. When we detect a difference in image analysis, we can say that there is something wrong with the machine operation. We can be informed before the malfunction occurs in the machine, and we can create an opportunity to look at the source of the problem. We can detect machine damage early. Well, what if you could do all these operations on a single software platform? What if this software platform could help you analyze machine operation and support you to perform maintenance on time? If it informs you about the risk of malfunction before a malfunction occurs on the machine. If this software platform, you will have listens to your machines like you do. Look at them the way you look at them. If the platform could track machines like you do. If the app platform touches and feels your machines like you do. If this software platform cares and values your machines as much as you do. Even if it is with you to ensure that your machines work continuously. If it allows you to reach your goal for the future by reducing risk. How would it be? If you had this application platform, what do you think it would be? This platform includes the toolkits. If only there was a process market that would make your work easier. If the process market continues to evolve towards your needs. If it could manage the risk of your machines. How would it be? At the planning stage, you could have entered the machine information. If you could associate the sensors and cameras you will use with the machines. If you could do your machine connection tests with the sensor. If you could enter the contact information and definitions of the teams that the platform will notify in case of risk. If you could view the risk analysis screen. If you could monitor the working health of the machines in an easy-to-understand graphic way. If you could follow the connection, battery, sensor and camera status on the screen. If you could view the data stream live. If you could see instantaneous data from vibration sensors attached to machines. If you could monitor the effect of the change in the vibration level in the machines, which could be caused by a malfunction. If you could follow the vibration caused by the possible problem with a graph. If you could see the data streams used for fault early detection. If you could see the sound wavelength data coming from the microphones connected to the machines. If you could monitor the effect of the change in the operating sound of the machines, which may be caused by a malfunction. If you could follow the sound change caused by a possible problem with a graphic. If you could see the data streams used for fault early detection. If you could see the live view and speed detection data from the camera connected to the machines. If you could monitor the effect of the change in the working speed of the machines, which may be caused by malfunctions. If you could follow the change in the working image of the machine caused by a possible problem with a graphic. If you could see the data streams used for fault early detection. Do you think those who deal with the industry would not benefit from this software platform? Wouldn't production jobs be less risky and easier? Are you ready to discover a new world under data?